So we're working on increasing the portability and user experience around using your team's accounts on other products. So today you can use Wallet Connect, and in the future this new product that we're building will make it a lot easier. So I'm going to jump over to Uniswap. You can see that I have the Splits Connect demo extension installed. If I hit Connect, I can select that, and this will give me a list of teams that I'm part of and accounts that I can choose from. So I will use the Splits Labs test team and the Connect demo account. 0x1444, that is this account that I just created. We've got about $2 worth of base ETH in there, and you can see that's the same team. That was the same team selector, and these were the accounts list that I just saw over there. So jumping back over to Uniswap, if I want to swap, a dollar of ETH into USDC, I can do so. Hit review, hit swap, say Splits Connect demo, hit execute. This will prompt me for passkey, and so now I can go through that whole transaction flow directly within Uniswap without having to have this other tab open. So if we do want to ensure that that transaction worked, we can jump back here and we will see that now we have a dollar of ETH and a dollar of USDC. So it just makes that portability and usability across the ecosystem quite a bit better than it is today.